Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Genome World Study. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of all the videos. This is the part 2 of our video about long non-coding RNA. So in this video we will talk about the BLAST search to find out the specific long non-coding RNA that target our specific gene or gene of interest or the family, and download the whole genome RNA-seq data, and also that the expression of long non-coding RNA. So how we can find? Let's start. Go to any search engine like Bing or Google and write CAN data database. So open that link of this database, that candata.amu.edu.pl, and when you go to that page, so it will give about the information that we have discussed in the part 1 and the search of the long non-coding RNA in different organisms. We have also discussed it in the part 1. So in this part we will do the BLAST analysis to find out the specific long non-coding RNA that target our gene of interest. So click on BLAST. So here you can, here is my gene that I want to check that whether which long non-coding RNA target by this gene. So select this sequence, copy, and here you can paste it, and here are some information or e-value that you can change or keep it as it is. So it is because our sequence is nucleotide, so here is BLAST N. If our sequence was this one is also mega BLAST, here our nucleotide, so BLAST N, and here if you want to change that e-value, it's okay, otherwise remain at it is. So maximum target sequence, that how many that long non-coding RNA you want that maximum to find out. So here is 10, and then click on BLAST. So when you click on BLAST, so it will give you the result that how many long non-coding RNAs were target of my gene of interest. So here it gives that there are 3 RNAs that target by this gene, and here is the length of that RNAs, and here are the probability values. So here is the that length score and the probability values, identities, how 91% identities, and here is the alignment of that long non-coding RNA with my gene of interest, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. Here are some other parameters that you can check it if you want, and then if you want to check the information of this long non-coding RNA one by one, so click it, open a new tab. So here is the information that this long non-coding RNA, this is the expression of this long non-coding RNA, and this is the database from which this long non-coding RNA was extracted, and this is the database. If you want to save, so click on here and then download it in any JPG or PDF or any other form, and here is the sequence of this long non-coding RNAs, and you can take and then use it in your experiment. And if you want to check the database source from which this long non-coding RNA was taken, so then simply go to the NCBI. Here you can select the SRA dataset, and here write the name of that this SRR 4423523. So here SRR 43, sorry, I forget, 4423 523. So when you click on search, So it will give the information of this data source. So this long non-coding RNA was extracted from this study, the transcriptome analysis of root knot nematode infected tomato. Like this is the study, and this is the method of RNA sequencing which through which this was done, and these are the information. If you want to go to further information like the experiment information, that authors like this, so you can get this. Here is the GEO of that species, that data source. So in this way you can get the all information of this long non-coding RNA through BLAST search. If you want to download the long non-coding RNA of whole genome, then you can go to the click on download, and here is the species name. Here is the FASTA format of that long non-coding RNA. When you click on it, so then you can save it in the FASTA format into your disk. This is all the long non-coding RNA present in that species. So for example, you are working on Brassica nepus and you need the long non-coding RNA present in Brassica nepus, so you can click it and find it in FASTA format, and this is the GTF file of that long non-coding RNA. So you can click on it and then save it into your destination folder. And here is the information about from where these genome files or these long non-coding RNA were extracted, and these are the sources from that material or that genome from where that long non-coding RNA was taken. This is the species and this is the source from where these are taken. And here is also the annotation information of that long non-coding RNA and organisms, and below is the databases like the long non-coding RNA of A. trichopodia was extracted or get from the ensemble, where the A. comosus long non-coding RNAs were get from the NCBI. So these are the data sources, and other these are the data source or SRR section numbers from where these long non-coding RNAs was obtained, and these are the species like this Solanum like Brassicum long non-coding RNAs were obtained from these SRA data sources. So C. stivus was taken from these sources. So these are the data sources from where these long non-coding RNA was got. So this is all about the long non-coding RNAs, that how we can search the long non-coding RNA, how to we download the long non-coding RNA of a whole genome, or how we blast to find out our targeted long non-coding RNA of our proteins. So if you have any question, please like, comment and share. Thank you.